Welcome to AAA Garage Doors, Commercial Division. We just wrapped up a big job swapping out 12 tough metal garage doors in only 10 days. Throughout the whole process, we made sure to keep things professional, safe, and top-notch quality. Our crew put in non-stop effort, working closely with contractors and property managers to get everything done on schedule and just right. No matter if it's a warehouse, fire station, or any commercial spot, AAA is all about dependable service and getting the job done perfectly. Now, let's show you how we handle projects the AAA way behind the scenes.